50 sentences using I am going to. 1. I am going to school today. 2. I am going to eat lunch now. 3. I am going to watch a movie tonight. 4. I am going to study English. 5. I am going to sleep early. 6. I am going to visit my friend. 7. I am going to call my mother. 8. I am going to clean my room. 9. I am going to cook dinner. 10. I am going to the market. 11. I am going to learn a new skill. 12. I am going to start a new job. 13. I am going to exercise in the morning. 14. I am going to read a book. 15. I am going to play cricket. 16. I am going to watch TV. 17. I am going to take a shower. 18. I am going to help my father. 19. I am going to meet my teacher. 20. I am going to write a letter. 21. I am going to travel next week. 22. I am going to buy a new phone. 23. I am going to attend the meeting. 24. I am going to visit Delhi. 25. I am going to join a class. 26. I am going to save money. 27. I am going to finish my homework. 28. I am going to watch a match. 29. I am going to learn coding. 30. I am going to start a business. 31. I am going to take a break. 32. I am going to drink water. 33. I am going to fix my bike. 34. I am going to help my friend. 35. I am going to plant a tree. 36. I am going to open the door. 37. I am going to close the window. 38. I am going to make tea. 39. I am going to send an email. 40. I am going to attend school function. 41. I am going to clean the house. 42. I am going to visit a doctor. 43. I am going to join gym. 44. I am going to learn English speaking. 45. I am going to practice speaking daily. 46. I am going to improve my skills. 47. I am going to attend class tomorrow. 48. I am going to buy groceries. 49. I am going to call my friend. 50. I am going to stay positive.